Hello, welcome again to this channel. This is Mish Ventures, and so today I have a very nice recipe. I'm gonna do vegetable rice, and all I need is this very simple recipe. So I have colored capsicum over here. There is green, yellow, and red, and then I have some chopped carrots on this other side. As you can see, they're on this other side. Yes, I'm sure this angle you can see clearly. And then I also have the some minji, the piece. So that's what I'm gonna use. And then if you also need, you can use corn. You can use corn. Sometimes when they're out of stock, they're out of the market, you can't die because they're not there. You improvise and you use what you have. So, and lastly, the main thing that I'm gonna use is the white rice. I use the dawat rice. That's my preference all the time because it gives me a nice end product. And then I'm gonna need some chumvi, salt, and then of course I'll use cooking oil, which is just here. And when you check behind me, I've just put boiling water. There is a cooking pot over there that has boiling water on it. So what I'm going to do is just to put some salt in the boiling water. So I'm just gonna put some salt, just some salt, just that, and then I'll put some oil, some oil, and then I'll just cover so that I may bring the water to a boil as usual. Okay? Yes, so the next thing, I'm just waiting for the water to boil. After it has done with the boiling, then I'll be able to put the rice. We'll see how I'll do it step by step. So let's keep watching. So now my water is boiling, as you can see. So I'll just go ahead and put my white rice in there. Put the rice. So I'm doing this because I didn't drain the rice completely. You can see some water over here. So that's why I prefer just scooping using my hand. Like this. So just like that. So at this time, I'll do the minjis. At this point, I'm gonna do this. I put at the same time with the rice, but the other ones, the carrots and the capsicum, will wait. They will wait a bit. After some time, I'll do the carrots, and then the colored capsicum will come last. So I'm just doing this, and then I cover like that. Yeah. Then at some point, I'll now add the carrots. But for now, that's it. So at this point, it's now boiling. So at this point is when, remember I'm doing step by step. So at this point, it's still not done. Just the minjis are there. So at this point, and there's still water. So at this point, I add the carrots. So I'll just add them. And then I cover. I continue simmering. until all the water is almost done. Then that's when I'll be able to add the colored capsicum. Yeah. Now, um, the water is reducing still a little bit. There is some more water in there, more water. So at this point, now I get to add my colored capsicum. This is the time I add now this thing. So I now get to add in here, and then I mix. I mix my rice. I mix nicely before I cover. Trying to mix before covering. So remember, the last content should not overcook, so that's why I do it last. I'm just gonna do this, and then I cover so that the water can dry up. Like that, and then I cover that way here. So this is the last step, then I serve. My food will be ready. Yes. So now I'm gonna open my safria. So my rice is ready. So I just want to do my serving of my rice over here. My white rice. Oh, not white. Vegetable rice. Did I just say white? Oh, that was a mistake. So I'm doing my vegetable rice here. I didn't have the maize corn. You can do maize corn if you so wish. So this is how my plate of vegetable rice looks like. Is this enough portion for one person? I think so. So I'm done with serving. I'm gonna switch off this thing. I'm gonna turn off the Meko. So now I'm done with my serving. I've just presented my food on my plate. So that's how my vegetable rice looks like. I'm sure you can be able to see, trying to get a closer view of it. So kama kawaida watu wangu, please subscribe. If you're not there already, please do that. Subscribe to this channel. Kindly asking for your support, please, 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 guys. So this is how I do my vegetable rice. I didn't have the corn, but I was able to just use what I had, the colored capsicum and the carrots, and then and the minji, the piece, you know. And so here is my plate. So nice. So until next time, thanks for watching and thanks for your time. You can serve this plate with a stew of your choice. Yeah, kama kawaida. Until next time, Bye bye. See you in my next video, and thanks for watching as well. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and give a comment as well. Bye bye.